boom 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 boom.
My name is Rafa and I'm Karima and we are in Ohio, as you know, and we are going to
They came to visit me. So now we're gonna go eat. It's 4 p.m. and I haven't eaten all day. So let's stop talking and go eat, please.
Going to a Somali restaurant.
See you there?
Just finished eating and we got chicken supa and berries and pillows. I liked the berries and pillows. It was yummy. What did you like? The chicken supa. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna go to dessert now. Yay! Yay!